Hi. I'm a warrior and I'm fighting a monster, and I need you to help me. Yes, you. Come with me. You see those ninja monkeys up there? I need you to shake this book so they fall out of the trees. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, no. Bats. I need you to blow them away. 1, 2, 3 blow out. That got rid of them. This is the door to the monster's cave. Knock to open it. Knock. 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 Turn the book upside down so that I can walk across the roof. Thank you. Now turn it the right way around so I can get a spiky pit. Back down again. Hyenas are chasing me. We need to go faster. Quick. Skip ahead 2 pages. Don't look at the next page, just jump ahead. Oh, no. I got eaten. Now you have to start the book again from the beginning. Phew. That was close. The hyenas almost got me. The monster is just past this yeti. Tickle the yeti to distract him, so I can sneak past. Tickle. 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 It's the monster. We've got to fight it. Show it we're not scared. Say you're a smelly monster. Say it out loud. Say it now. It didn't work. I need you to make your scariest face to chase it away. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. We did it. We scared it away. High five. That was fun. Let's go back to the start and do it all over again.